talking about the capability and the differential between India and China. As I said, we have been little slow on the start, and therefore, over the years, a capability differential has come in. China has been able to invest a lot of funds and allocated a lot of funds in ensuring that they imbibe technology. They have sent their people abroad to various Western nations to study their technologies, and therefore they've been able to imbibe some technology, and therefore they certainly have a lead over us. But let me tell you one thing, that while they have a lead over us, we are also evolving technologies to make sure that we come at par with them. But most important, where the biggest differential lies in the field of cyber. We know that China is capable of launching cyber attacks on us, and that he can disrupt a large amount of our systems. So what we are trying to do is to create a system in which we ensure cyber defense. And we have been able to therefore create a cyber agency, which is our own agency within the armed forces. Each service also has its own cyber agencies to ensure that even if we come under a cyber attack, the downtime and the effect of the cyber attack does not last long. We should be able to overcome that cyber attack and continue with our systems either through an alternate means or preventive means through firewalls. So while we are trying to create firewalls for cyber attacks, yet we are quite sure that they will be able to break through the cyber walls and firewalls, and we will have cyber attacks. But then what we are trying to do is how long will your system be down, and how will you be able to operate through that phase of cyber attack that you have been put through. That is one thing which is we are looking at and addressing in a very serious manner. But to say that there is no technology difference, I would hesitate to say that there is a technology difference between us and China, which we have to overcome. And we can overcome this only if we, I dare say, integrate the resources of the three services.